Good morning, everyone. My name is Bella, and I'm going to speak to you my most memorable experience in my high school. Exercise is not something that came across my mind as important or necessity in life. I am a person who does not fun with any sport or any competition, and all I want to do is sleep. I remember my best memorable experience in my high school. We had our physical education or PE competition. During the competition, my classmates insisted that I will join them, so I tried. The first sport was jumping loop. It was very exhausting and painful test sport for me, but I can say that it was very exhausting and very worth it because we got the second place. Another sport was high jump. At first, I'm afraid to do it, but then I was surprised because I made it. Yes, I did it. I was happy that day because I overcome my fears and able to make it. Having this kind of experience in my life was memorable to me. Without this kind of experience, I was not able to make my new friends. And the most happy I made was I made myself so proud. To all students like me, I encourage you to and overcome your fears. That's all. Thank you, everyone.